Welcome to our channel, where today we tackle a common frustration: fixing identity verification issues on BlockFi easily and efficiently. Welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining us as we dive into one of the most important steps for a smooth crypto experience: resolving identity verification issues on BlockFi. If you've ever found yourself stuck trying to verify your identity and get approved, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to fix those problems quickly and confidently. First, let's understand why identity verification matters. BlockFi requires this process to comply with regulations and to protect your account. Issues often happen due to incomplete or unclear documentation or mismatched personal information. To start, gather all required documents that are valid and clear. Generally, a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license works best. Next, make sure the photos or scans are high quality. Clear, well-lit, and without any glare or shadows. When submitting your documents via the BlockFi platform, double-check that all personal details you enter exactly match what is on the ID. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Any mismatch can lead to delays or rejections. If you receive a rejection notification, carefully read the feedback BlockFi provides. Often, the issue will be related to document clarity or data inconsistency. Correct the given issues by resubmitting the documents accordingly. For address proof problems, submit utility bills or bank statements issued within the last 3 months as valid proof. Make sure these documents clearly display your name and address as registered on your account. In cases where you experience technical errors or the verification process does not proceed despite correct documents, clear your browser cache or try a different browser or device. Mobile apps sometimes behave differently, so switching to a desktop browser can help. If problems persist after multiple attempts and checking the details carefully, reach out to the BlockFi customer service team. Use their official support channels to submit a query with screenshots of your documents and the error messages you encountered. Communication with support is key to understanding any unusual issues. Lastly, patience is important. Verification processes can take some time, especially during high-demand periods. By following these steps methodically and ensuring all your submitted materials are accurate and clear, you'll increase your chances of a speedy verification. Remember, proper identity verification is crucial to safeguard your account and comply with legal standards. Thanks for watching this detailed guide on how to fix identity verification issues on BlockFi. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more helpful crypto tutorials and insights tailored just for you.